Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Capture One quick tip. Today we've got a quick and easy one, but it's a common problem among new users of Capture One, and that is synchronizing settings. And one of the most frustrating ones for people is when they want to synchronize cropping. And so I'm going to show you here the problem and then why a lot of people understandably get upset. Okay, so I've got a couple images here, and it was all taken at the same time, so these are very similar in frame and composure. And I want to go ahead and treat this photo here, so I'm going to do some basic edits. And once I'm happy, and I'm gonna put this to Instagram. So I'm going to pull down on the crop, and I'm going to use square. And now I'm going to pull down on a handle and recompose this to a nice square image. And I'm thinking that looks pretty good right there. And I'm ready to go. So edit done. And now I have this, everything I've done here, the levels adjustments, the saturation, the crop. I want to synchronize them between all these other photos here and see which one I like the most. And I'll post one of these to Instagram. So let's go ahead and do that. I will hold the shift key down and select the additional photos. And you'll notice the first photo has a thicker white border. That means that's the photo that Capture One is going to use to copy the settings from. And these other two images are going to be the ones that are going to receive the settings. So very easy. And this is what frustrates people is they know to come up here to copy. And so they hit copy, and then they turn around and they hit apply. And you see what happened here is the levels adjustments and the saturation got applied to all the images, but the crop didn't. And that's the frustration point of people. They keep going, the crop doesn't work, the crop doesn't work, you can't synchronize crops. And it frustrates people. So I can understand completely, but it's by design. I can actually say that it is by design. And it's a good design to do it this way, because not every photo can be cropped exactly the same. And so you may want to have just the development settings and have the crop separate. But if you do want to synchronize crops, it's very easy to do so. Just simply come up to the top and hit adjustments. Okay. And then I want you to come down to copy and apply adjustments. And it's going to open up this dialog box, and I want you to come down. And you'll notice that the levels is adjusted, the saturation, these are the things we made, but you'll notice there's nothing in here about crop. Okay? We need to come down here to composition, and there's crop. And all we need to do is just check that and apply. And now all the crop settings have been applied to all images. Okay? And so that's how you synchronize cropping amongst multiple images. All right. Till next week, you guys take care.